How can an entrepreneur create a leveraged income stream?
Most of the people that I'm working with are already service providers. They are delivering valuable but intangible things. I think e-commerce is much more leveraged than service. You can buy a sweatshirt in the middle of the night. I can make money on that sweatshirt that you bought in the middle of the night. The same's not necessarily true for article writing. I have to be writing in order to make that money. So e-commerce is already leveraged, but the margins are lower than they would be on digital. In fact, it's sort of the inverse, right? Where you get a 20% margin, let's say, on your merchandise, but you could get an 80% margin on the info that you could use to help build out another site. So things like, how do we decide what product we should add? And here's if you can get the nerdy spreadsheet calculation to determine whether it makes sense to order whatever.